So this is a quick look at the Solo Stove Titan and what you get in the packet. So you get a Solo Stove bag here, got a sticker, your Solo Stove kind of canister, and then your pot holder on top. It comes with this kind of instruction guide on how to use the stove, as well as some more just upselling for what other pots you can buy from Solo Stoves themselves. We've got the Titan. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of the first use of this stove and how long it takes to boil a pot of water. You obviously need wood. It's a wood burning stove, so you need to collect some dry wood, different sizes, and you break them to about 2 to 3 inches each. So I'm going to break this down, put some igniter in the bottom of the stove and get this lit.